Hey guys, it's Kim at Bespoke Motor Company here in New Glasgow, Nova Scotia. Today we're going to check out the BJ45 Urban Warrior, first of its kind. We're going to take it for a little bit. Let's go.
That body work was perfect, man. Awesome!
Heated seats, check it out. How this dash is so